Ninth class. In our last video, we learned about the efforts made by Dabonier and Newlands to classify the elements. In earlier, during Dabonier's time, around 30 elements were known. Later on, when Newland came in 30, 35 or 36, around that elements or 40 elements were known. So, but as with discoveries and other inventions were done, large number of elements were discovered, and they were and scientists want to study their chemical properties, their physical properties, and the efforts made by Newland was having great effect on the scientists and their studies. So one more scientist started studying and developed a new periodic table known as Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev was a Russian chemist, and at his time he arranged all 63 elements known in his table based upon the Mendeleev's periodic law, which says that properties of an element are periodic function of their atomic masses or weight. What is that? That property of element depend upon the atomic mass. In his table, in his periodic table, the law what he was put forward was Mendeleev's periodic law, and what it states that the properties of elements are periodic function of atomic weight. So this table has shown elements, and what is more about essential feature of that we will be studying. Now in this periodic table, if you see, elements are arranged in groups, and there are 8 groups. If you see group number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 group. Now the second which was essential thing was that each group is further subdivided into A and B. 1A, 1B. So if you see on the left hand side and the right hand side in the same column, those which are on the left hand side are belong to 1A, and if you see on this side, we will find that there are certain elements which are kept on this side, right side of the column. We will put them in 1B. Similarly in other columns also, 1A, and this is 2A, 2B. So this subdivision of group was done from 1 to 7. 8th group was not subdivided. Now the effort number 3 was horizontal rows were known as periods, and there are 7 periods. If you see in the periodic table, there are 7 periods. Period 1, 2, 3 and 7 in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now it is clear? Yes, now you can check here. In the periodic table there are 7 periods. Now coming to next, in a period the properties of element gradually changes from metallic to non-metallic. When we are moving from left to right, if we are moving from left and going toward the right, on this column we will find these elements are metallic, but when we are moving on this type, they change to non-metallic. This is lithium, beryllium, boron. So lithium and beryllium are having metallic character, but when we move from boron, carbon, nitrogen, they slightly start changing toward non-metals. Now nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, they are non-metals. So what it's saying, that a gradual moving from left to right, the properties of element changes from metallic to non-metallic. Sixth point is that there are certain gaps which are being kept in this. Dashes are being put all around in the periodic table. Here, this dash is there, or down, lot of dashes are there. These dashes were for those elements which he thought are not being discovered yet. They might be discovered in future. So he left the gap for them. Now, some merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. It has made the study of element very simple and systematic. It is based upon fundamental property of an element. What was the fundamental property? Atomic weight. If you see, Dabonier has also taken increasing atomic weight. Newland has also arranged the element on the basis of increasing atomic weight, and Mendeleev has also arranged the element in his periodic table on the basis of increasing atomic weight. It helps in correction of a wrong atomic weight. Many elements whose atomic weights were wrongly find it out earlier, like gold, platinum and beryllium, he corrected their atomic weights. Some gaps, as I told you, are left in the periodic table. So he even predicted the properties of those elements which are undiscovered. He left a gap below silicon and he named that element as Eka silica. If you check over here, below silicon we are having a gap, silicon Si, and there is a gap below it. He predicted the property of this element, and this element was known as Eka silica, and later on it was named as germanium. Even left for scandium below boron. If you see, below boron also there is a gap. So Eka boron means below boron. Even under gallium, if you see, under, it was known as, later on it was known as now we will be studying about certain defects. Now all the efforts which was put forward by Mendeleev, some of the problems still resisted over there which he was not able to explain. In his periodic table, if you see, there are certain elements whose properties are not as per the properties of the column. If you see in this periodic table, group 1a, we will be finding that here in this group we are having sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, lithium. They are 1a group. But in 1b we are finding copper, silver and gold. This 1a group is highly reactive group, and these are the least reactive element. If you see the metallic activity table, how he was not able to explain why he has put them or whatever. So this pair was also having a problem. Certain more irregularities were there. Position of hydrogen was there. Hydrogen is still being kept on the top in first. It was not given definite position because it resembles 1a also and 7a also. If you see Newland, it was above fluorine. Second, position of isotopes. Hydrogen contain 3 type of isotopes: protium, deuterium, tritium. Their atomic masses, atomic weight is 1, 2 and 3. So they should be given cell 1, cell 2 or cell 3, but they are being given one only hydrogen. Why? He was not able to explain that property. Position of lanthanide and actinide, no position is being given for lanthanide and actinide. Separation of chemically similar element. In first case we learned dissimilar elements are kept in group 1. Now there are certain where similar elements are kept very far away. If you check your this group platinum and all that in this periodic table, if you see here, we are having platinum here, okay, and copper, silver and gold are kept here. So similar elements are kept far away. They should be together, but they are very far away from each other. Now there are certain electronic configuration. We learned about electronic configuration in 8th class, whereas Mendeleev has not given anything about that. He was not knowing position of group 8. He has not given the position of group zero group. Noble gases were not put. Okay. Now this group 8 does not contain 1 or 2, 3 elements are there. Now why there are 3 elements, he was not able to explain in that all group. So these were some of the properties which was about Mendeleev's.